The line truck's pretty cool. In there, the welding was really cool. There was definitely a lot of informational thing. The plumbers union up there, it sounded very interesting. The activities here were fun. It was just great learning about things you wouldn't really know about unless you came here to understand them.
I think it's a good way to get people to decide what career you might want to do when you're older.
I think it's a good thing for everyone to come out and just see new things.
I think it's a good thing to learn how to do jobs outside that are active instead of just sitting in an office.